Yippee yippee hooray, we finally have a pocketbook. There has been quite some time that these guys have kind of gone without a bunch of major mainstream releases, and they are here with the Verse Lite. Looking at the box straight up, I really like how they cleaned it up. They just have the device now. They don't have all this extra logoing and information on the front. In fact, when it arrived, I was like, wow, you know what? Something actually does look a little bit different. You do still have the information on the side. This comes in midnight gray, and we have some specs on the back that will zoom in for you guys. This is a 6-inch 1024 by 758. It has a front light, it has a touch screen, of course, it has a micro SD card slot, which is really nice, and a 1-month battery life, although they don't actually write the milliamp size on the back, but they do say that it's 155 grams, which is pretty light all things considered. Let's crack it open. Core construction of the actual box itself is pretty much left unchanged. Oh, look at that, we've gone with paper. You know what, offhand, I don't remember if we had paper on the previous units, but that's really cool. We have a quick start guide right here, multiple languages, we have warranty. Do we still have that life with and without a case thing? Oh, we're getting to the bottom. I hope we have it. That thing is so cool. We do, yay. Oh, it's shrunk. It's more square now. Before it was rectangular. I can't get it out. This should be like, yeah, look at that. He falls with a parachute, and if you don't have a parachute, you come crashing down to the earth because of gravity. So I've always really appreciated the comical use of that. Companies like Pocketbook and Tolino, they logo and mascot their devices, so to speak. It's actually pretty funny. And some regulatory information right there. So let's go ahead and look at the unit itself. That's what we are all here to see. Oh, look at that. I like this backing. This was from the Viva, actually, the gallery device they had. This is really nice on this small unit. It's very classy, nice and left and right landscape based. You have a USB-C at the bottom with a power light with built-in indicator. You have nothing on the right side, nothing on the left side. Wait a minute. Oh, we're taking the backing off to get to the SD card, aren't we? Where's the little thumb hole? Or are we just randomly, because it does have an SD card, it says. So we did take the backing off, which is a little bit difficult, and we have the model number, the midnight gray color code on there, and you have a little bit of an exposed unit, very modular design. I don't currently see where the SD card would go, nothing that kind of jumps out and screams to me SD card slot, but we'll get into that in the full review. But for now, let's do a first time boot up and see what we're looking at. In terms of the build construction, pocketbooks always look so good. We're going to turn that glow light off because you don't need a glow light on a black and white. It just looks so high quality contrast. You need the color on when you get a color device. You'll just see how much grayer they are. We'll bring the Kaleido 3 into the shot. And Pocketbook struggles with this as well on their Kaleido 3s, but you'll see the difference in contrast with both the glow lights off. It's just night and day. The Pocketbook design has these nice kind of 5-degree chiseled out edges, and it fits so perfectly in the meat of your hand. I love it. This one does not have physical page turn buttons like some of their other units do, which I kind of miss because, man, those physical buttons are great, but this one is very nice and clean and to the point, and they have some apps for you. No, they're not apps in the traditional sense where you get stuff from Google Play and whatnot, but they are applications. You have your library, your store, your browser. We're going to be getting into all this during the full review, but so far everything is nice and snappy and responsive, and it's just so nice to have such a basic e-reader, and that is not a negative thing. It's getting more normal to have things with Google Play and things to have crazy amount of features, and it's just nice to have an e-book reader, kind of where it all started, and there's no better company for that than an international giant like Pocketbook, honestly. This is everything that comes in the box with a brand new 2025 Verse Lite, going back to basics with a 6-inch unit from Pocketbook.